ear drops for ear infection and ear aches. Have you ever had an earache in your life? This pain has been described by many as unbearable. It's very common in children, but it can happen at any stage of life. This pain generally affects people in different ways. You may feel a burning sensation or pressure in your ear that may be accompanied by headaches. This pain can be due to an infection, injury, blockage in the ear canal, allergies, or colds. Often your body heals itself after a while. Depending on what's causing your earache, there are some very effective home remedies you might want to try. Garlic, for example, is an ingredient that has been used throughout history, not only as seasoning but also to treat various health problems. Due to its antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal properties, it has become a popular home remedy for earaches. Some studies performed with garlic oil have proven that it effectively relieves ear pain and is even more effective than traditional medicines. You can use garlic in two ways. The first is by using raw garlic. Take a clove of garlic, preferably organic. Wash it and cut into small pieces. Put one of these pieces of garlic inside your ear, not too deep, and secure it with a bandage so it does not fall out. It's recommended that you let it overnight and only take it out on the next day. Another way to use garlic is by making your own oil. Crush a clove of garlic and place it in a spoon. Then fill the spoon with olive oil. Heat the spoon over the stove and pour a few drops of this oil on a small piece of cotton. Squeeze the cotton to remove the excess and place it inside of your ear while it's still warm. The cotton ball should cover the ear without putting pressure on it. If after the second time you try this remedy, you don't get the expected relief, the best things to do is to consult a specialist to find the cause and a more appropriate treatment. Your tooth abscess, dental infection naturally. Do you know what a dental abscess is? If you ever had a cavity that was not treated correctly or poorly performed dental procedure, you may be familiar with this term. It's used to describe a type of pus-filled sac caused by a bacterial infection that may appear on an area of the tooth. It may also appear in the gum near the tooth's root, and then it's called a periodontal abscess. Abscess occurs when bacteria invade your tooth's pulp through a cavity or a crack and spread to the root. The most common symptoms are intense and persistent pain and sensitivity to cold, heat, and localized pressure. The good news for people suffering from this issue is that there is a natural ingredient that can treat dental abscess quickly and efficiently. Oregano, specifically oregano oil, has been widely used by many people as a natural alternative to other abscess treatments. Through its medical properties, this herb is able to relieve pain, help drain pus, and fight infection. It is important to make sure you are buying good quality oil from the plant Organum vulgare because there are several varieties that may not have the same therapeutic effect. Moisten the tip of a cotton swab with oregano oil and then rub it in your gums around the affected area. Then apply some oil directly to the abscess. The infection can actually affect the rest of your tooth as well. Better just to go ahead and put some oil all over your tooth. It's recommended that you repeat this procedure every day, once every 2-3 hours, until you notice that your symptoms are improving. If you don't think your symptoms are improving, then you should probably go see a dentist so he can tell you what treatment to try next.